Hi, so today I'd like to look at a couple of mods or tweaks that you can perform on an Audi A6 using the Ross-Tech VCDS PC package. Now the first one I'd like to look at and show you is how to turn on the rear parking sensor graphics. Now standard, because I've only got rear sensors, I only get the reversing beeps, but I quite like the graphic that you can get on some of the vehicles where you've got front and rear sensors. So this is something you can enable VCDS. So if we go into the parking assist system, always best to make sure there aren't any fault codes present. That's good. Okay. Now we can go into the coding. Now we need to modify this code number to enable us to switch on this graphic, which is like I've done there. And now we do it. Okay, it's accepted. Now we can close the controller. Drop back out of here and we can test it. There we go, so you have a graphic now. So now the next modification I'd like to look at is to enable needle sweeps. So these are normally enabled in some of the RS models. As default on my A6 the needles didn't move when you switch the ignition on, but it's quite nice to have the needles sweeping. So again, we go into the instrument cluster with VCDS. Again, it's always best to check if there aren't any fault codes present. And then we go into coding. Now in this one we use the long coding helper. So with this we actually got tick boxes to choose. So if we have a look and go to the correct byte in the long coding helper, is this one here, and you've got the tick box there for sweep active, so we enable that. Okay, now we click on close the coding helper box first, and you can see it's updated the coding for us. Click on do it. Coding accepted. Close the controller, and now we can test it. So now, as you can see, when we turn the key on, the needles sweep the range and then return back again. I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching.